Reuse your meter portion indefinitely with this replacement pH electrode. This electrode can measure pH level of seawater and acid rain. Wide application includes but not limited to the following. It comes with protective case and has foam inside that secures the pH electrode. Set includes R. pH powder solution, pH power user guide, user manual, pH electrode, and storage bottle. This meter is made of glass bulb, has 150 cm cable long, and BNC type connector. Simply connect directly the replacement pH electrode to the input terminal of your pH device that has a BNC input terminal. This replacement pH electrode can measure pH level of seawater and acid rain. Its wide application includes but not limited to scientific experiments, clinical testing, food processing, and different bodies of water.